We're logging into the app. You can see the main dashboard, and this would be the driver's name, and there's a clock in button so they can start their shift and we can see they're working. Now currently we're not seeing any jobs for this guy on this date, so what we can do is click on view all jobs and we can search for this week. And so what this does is only show the user's jobs. So he'd only see jobs that have been assigned to him. Otherwise, we can turn it off and see everything. But here's a delivery. And if we scroll down, we can scan the item in. Can't use a camera on this demo, but you can just scan the barcode and these will tick off as you scan them. And we're also doing QR codes, but we can just deliver it and we can add notes and we can tap to add photos. Once again, we can't take photos on my demo, but so you get the picture, you can take 6 photos and then we confirm that we've delivered it, and we do the same. Well, this is actually a pre-check form. So in the software, under settings, you have these forms and you can use templates and then adjust those templates to rename the fields, put them as auto enter. So you can just do a whole bunch of things. So what that does is it gives you that form to be filled out for this piece of equipment on the mobile app. So I can bypass it if I'm allowed. We just want to confirm, and then we'll do the last one, which once again we're just going to confirm that we've collected it and deliver the bucket and then get the signature. Put the name of the guy and then complete. So that job is completed and it would move off. The other thing here is messages for this staff member. Now if I click in there, I can see the delivery team message. In CloudRent, under your chat section, I've got a delivery team that I've created, and then I can just check who's in it and call it whatever, and it's a group, so I can have multiple groups, and it just means that I can chat between those groups. And this has so a notification will come up on the phone. Jim's just assigned a job to you, which they can just click the link and follow the job. And so that's what this chat is. His clock, where he's at now, on the dashboard of the software, we should see all the staff that are connected. And we can see Apple Review is working, clocked in. And they can take breaks and we can track that. Now, the other thing to look at is when we look at jobs, obviously we've got collections, I want to say this week. And we also have service calls. So what I'll do is I'll just go and create one. Under operations, create a service job. It's a new service job. I can search for a customer or add a new customer. And then what are we doing? Excavator operator. And we just need one person for 2 hours, and we're going to assign it to. And we have the ability there to invoice it now or put it as part of a billing run. So I save those changes. and now we can see that service call on the phone app. And so when he goes in and does that service call, he can tick that he's done the work, or he can start a timer. And then he can add parts to that. And so we've got some, not only have we got the cost, we've got the services that they've done. Then we can complete that job. Okay. We need to finish the task and then complete that job. Now you can see that service call is completed. So that's a small rundown on CloudRent Crew, which is basically for the drivers in warehouse. The command version is coming up very, very soon, which will allow you to run your business totally on the app.